In front of me is Realme GT6, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by selecting albums and clicking on photos or albums at the bottom. Then click on one of your folders. Hold one of your photos that you wish to add and simply click Select All at the top right corner. To keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use this pin at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!